Hey everyone! Welcome back to Filmora MVP YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore Instagram's hidden tips and tricks and see how you can enjoy even more success on this unique platform. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to keep getting the latest updates. 1. Download videos and photos in batches. Unlike Facebook, Instagram is trying to protect its users from copyright violations. However, not being able to download the videos and photos you posted to Instagram can be a problem if you lost the original files or if you just want to create a backup of your Instagram posts. igram.io is a website that enables you to download photos and videos from Instagram, while it also provides the option to download all images featured on an Instagram account. You just have to copy the URL of a photo or Instagram profile and click the download button. 2. Add a URL to your bio. Featuring links to your blog or website in posts on Instagram or in comments is yet another thing you can't do on this platform. However, if you want to direct traffic from your Instagram account to a website or a blog, you can add a URL to your bio. The trick is to change the URL every time you start promoting a different project. This tip can help you promote the products and services you're offering on Instagram, and in addition, it can boost the conversion rates on your website simply because more people will be able to see it. 3. Use Instagram as a photo editor. The photo editing features Instagram offers are truly magical, so if you need to edit a photo quickly, you can use Instagram to do it. Enabling the airplane mode will prevent the photo from being posted on your account. So before you start editing, you should first switch to the airplane mode and make sure that the Instagram Save Original Photo option is activated. Import the photo you'd like to edit to the Instagram app and apply filters or increase contrast or balance on your photo, and then proceed to share the picture. The app will report an error and inform you that the photo cannot be posted to your Instagram account, but the picture you edited will be saved in the photo gallery. 4. Schedule posts in advance. Social media campaigns depend on punctuality, which is the reason why scheduling Instagram posts is a strategy that might result in a better performance of your account. However, this Instagram tip works only if you have a business profile on Instagram, and you'll also have to get a social media scheduling tool and a HubSpot software. 5. Create story highlights to show stories for longer than a day. The ephemeral content is becoming more popular every day, but some Instagram stories deserve more attention than they can get in a single day. If you would like your Instagram stories to stay online for longer than 24 hours, you can create story highlights. Simply click on the plus icon below the profile picture on your Instagram account and select the stories you want to feature in the story highlight from the album. The story highlights will be visible on your Instagram profile for as long as you want. Removing or changing the story highlights is a simple process that won't take more than 5 minutes of your time. 6. Create and manage multiple Instagram accounts. A good Instagram account is coherent because Instagrammers interested in fashion have almost zero interest in sports. So if you want to post images that cover both of these topics, it is best to create different accounts. Instagram lets its users manage up to 5 interconnected accounts, which opens a plethora of opportunities for big companies that offer more than just one service, as well as for up-and-coming startups that are looking for a big breakthrough in a certain niche. If you want to create a new Instagram account, go to Options and tap on the Add New Account feature. You can use the same username and password for all of your Instagram accounts. That's all for today. Make sure you give our video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you enjoyed watching it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can watch more informative videos in the future. Bye!